What's up guys? So how to download video from Facebook. So for example, if you want to make a reaction video from the other content creator, so it's very easy. Only you need to do is just go to the Google or to Safari. So for example, we go to the Google, and guys, from the Google, just click if down that net. So fdown.net, so that's the website guys. So you can download from there free only. So just click on that link. So from there guys, so for example, you go to your Facebook and you search other content creator. For example, Justin, I will upload his new upload video. For example, this one I will upload. So only you have to do is just copy the link. So copy the link guys, and then go back to this website. From you search from the Google, so fdown.net. okay, so only you need to do is just paste the link from here. Okay, so you already paste the link and click the download. That's very easy guys. So you have two options. You can download normal quality, and you can download the video which is HD quality, high definition. So from high definition, they have some advertisement, but you need to wait to finish the advertisement. Then after that, you can download the video with high definition, high quality. So I will download the high quality guys. But for the normal, there is no advertisement. It's fine. But for me, I want the high definition or good quality video. So I will download the high definition quality HD. So already download and click the download. So guys, the video is already downloaded. So what you need to do is you need to open this one, and the video is already in your download. The video is already here. So as you can see, the video is already here. So what you need to do is you need to save this one in order to save in your gallery. So that's it. When I go to my gallery, I will check from my gallery. Okay guys, the video is already there. So as you can see, so only like that guys. Both iPhone or Android, it's working for this website fdown.net. So it's very easy, and it's good if you want to make a video with commentary or reaction video. It really helped this website. So I hope you understand my tutorial. So please follow for more update and more tutorial. Thank you so much, and have a nice day. Bye bye.